Namaskar, this is a random guy from VIH group and I welcome you to the first new episode of Hack Talk. So let's get started. So today's first news is related to a VPN. So VPNlab.net, a VPN provider that was used by malicious hackers to deploy ransomware and facilitate other cybercrime has been shut down. So there was an international operation conducted by the law enforcement bodies from 10 countries. They took down VPNlab.net. See, this was a VPN service provider that is very popular in the cybercrime ecosystem. The authorities also seized 15 VPNlab.net servers across 10 countries. So let's understand a little bit history about the VPN Lab. So VPN Lab was launched in 2008 and was offering online anonymity to criminal organizations. Its technology was based on OpenVPN and adopted 2048-bit encryption, and the price for the subscription was very low. Can you guess? It was approx $60 per year. So it was very low if you compare with the other service provider. So anyway, so it's no more in existence. It has been shut down. So let's move to the next news. So this is related to a hacking group called Fin8. So I mostly presume that you sometime heard about this hacking group Fin8. So basically a ransomware family called White Rabbit appears in the wild recent, and according to the recent researchers finding could be a side operation of the Fin8 hacking group. So this was a basic research that were coming from some sort of researchers team. This may be a little bit connected. So now the next news is coming from China. So this is related to a Beijing Winter Olympic 2022. So the official app of Beijing 2022 was named with My 2022. So the app was found to be insecure when it comes to protecting the sensitive data and its user. Most importantly, the app encryption system carries a significant flaw that enables middlemen to access documents, audio, and files in clear form. So this app is also subject to censorship based on the list of keywords and has an unclear privacy policy that doesn't determine who exactly receiving and processing all sensitive data users have to upload to it. As such, it is violating Google's software policy and Apple's App Store guidelines, yet it is available on the both store. Finally, the app violates China on law regarding privacy protection. मतलब खुद तो डूबे सनम सबको ले डूबे. So that's about the Chinese culture and their applications. Now the next news is related to VirusTotal. So VirusTotal, as we all know, the popular online service for analyzing suspicious file URLs and IP addresses, can be used to collect credentials stolen by malware research. So this was said by a researcher at SafeBridge. They found all those things on that particular platform. So in fact, with a 600 euro VirusTotal license, they have managed to collect more than 10 lakh credentials just by executing simple search with few tools. So this may be going to be a big asset for the hackers for finding the data breached credential informations. Now next news related to organization in the cyber world. So organization face a losing battle against vulnerability. So researcher says that companies must take more innovative and proactive approach to security in 2022 to combat threats that emerged last year. So yeah, it's very clear like nowadays a lot of companies are facing cyber attacks. So companies should work proactively to mitigate all those things, because like if right now COVID is going on and everything has been converted online, everything is being operated online. So if your digital asset has been breached, if your server has been hacked, then I think your business will be going to be at the very bottom line. So this is the main concern right now. So companies should work on SOCs, they should work on red teaming, they should work on blue teaming to just secure their asset to test on daily basis, monthly basis. So this can be the proactive approach that a person can take. So this is my view. It's all depend on you as well. You can comment down your views too. Now the next news is coming from Bugcrowd. So according to a report, they said financial service companies saw 185% increase in serious attacks. So Bugcrowd, a crowdsourced cybersecurity platform startup, Bugcrowd today released a new report that spotlight the key cybersecurity trend of the past years. The 2020-22 Priority 1 report covers the rise in the adoption of crowdsourced security thanks to global shift to hybrid and remote works model and the rapid digital transformation associated with it. So this update is coming from the report which was being released from the side of Bugcrowd. Now the next news related to Zoom. So I must presume that you were used Zoom application, video conferencing application in your previous days and most probably during this lockdown session. So there was a zero click vulnerability in Zoom that could have exploited or exposed call. So the flaw are now fixed, but they speak to the growing concern around interaction-less attacks is still continued. So be safe while using all those things. Now the next news related to a ransomware. So the ALF-B, or you can say Black Cat ransomware gang, published data stolen from a fashion giant Moncler. So luxury fashion giant Moncler confirms a data breach after a ransomware attack carried out by the Alpha V or Black Cat attack that was took place in December. So in December, malware researchers from Recorded Future and Malware Hunters team discovered Alpha V aka Black Cat, the first professional ransomware. That strain was written in the Rust programming language. So that's all for today. So today's question is, which VPN mostly you use? So most probably you will use some sort of VPNs in your previous day. So you should have to tell me, you should have to comment down in the comment box which VPN mostly you use. So comment down your views in the comment section and we'll give a sort out to the best answer next day. So as always, thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.